What's going on, guys? My name is David Massey. I'm going to teach you guys a double pumping side kick. There's different variations. Some of them are where you're kicking, you jump switch, you're actually like here. So you just kind of go boom, boom, that's all you're doing. The other versions are you're just here, side kick, and then switch. That's another version. We're going to go into that second version, the one I showed you. So let's talk about the side kick, right? What I'm going to do, shoot out my side. Now, let's hope that I miss. Reason, I want to say impact helps a lot with this if you know you're going to hit the guy. But let's pretend that they're going to evade it. Use this as your boost to get you off the floor. 1, 2. Notice I did that little skip, right? Whether I hit the target or I don't, I'm still sliding. I'm creating momentum. And I still need to create that momentum just to do this, the kick in general. So you're gonna do that sliding side kick. You're here, 1, that's it. 1, try to keep it up. 1, 1, and then once you get the hang of that, you're gonna jump switch. 1, 2, okay? And I tuck my leg in, I'll show you how I do it. From this angle, from the other angle. 1, watch what I do. I tuck, and I switch. Switch right over. So, 1, take my knee, bring it down to the ground, pointing my knee to the ground, okay? Not the side of my knee, pointing my knee down, looking, jump switch, replace the leg, fire out that side kick, okay? So I'm here, 1, 2, got a little close to the head there. So I'm here, 1, 2, again, I do it again, 1, 2, do it again, here, 1, 2. If you feel like you're in a close space, slide it up, get that nice little headshot. You're just here, slide it up, get that headshot, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check out my Patreon if you want to see other content where I give you guys workouts of my own to help you guys get better than me. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.